Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another session on Vibe with Lady MM. Okay, so today's video is about how to make a perfect C part for your closure wake up. Okay, a perfect C part. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you measure. So this is the closure size from one eye to the other. So just taking from the kind of middle part of the second eye, and then that's how you're going to part it. It's just going to be easy and quick for you. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. So you have to make sure you get this tail comb available. I show you from the beginning the items I use: the tail comb, the mousse, the wax stick, right? So yeah, that's what is going to make your work so perfect for you. All right, so that's what I'm doing right there. So I just try to the dimension I gave you. That's how I went, and then I'm just going to apply my wax stick on it to make it lay flat for me, one step at a time. Okay. So I'm just trying to use a comb to blend the wax stick into the hair. And then I'm going to part that part, the other side, yeah, into smaller pieces and apply the wax stick to it, okay? That's what I'm doing right there so that it can lay flatter, okay? Yeah, you part into pieces and then apply the wax stick on every part and make the pattern lay flat for you, okay? So you saw me using the back of the comb here. Then after that, I applied my mousse to it. And the mousse, so you, after doing it at the top, applying it at the top, then you still part and then apply it at the various parts as well so that it will make it lay flat for you. So this is to my girl is that maybe you don't have what's the name, a hot comb available. This can equally make your pattern flat for you. Okay. Yeah. So just trying to use a comb to comb through. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. Then your C part will be perfect. There's not anything difficult for you to do. C part will be very perfect for you. So this is actually a client hair that I made, and then I was just trying to style it. And I feel like, oh, why won't I just do a video on this for my amazing family out here? So I'm just applying more of the mousse at the top. All the motive is to make sure that the top of the hair is very flat and looks so beautiful. Okay, you know this is a human hair, so definitely it's going to have a lot of firewood. So I just went ahead to use my hot comb to flatten everything finally. So yeah, so if you don't have the hot comb, that could help, but the hot comb makes it more flatter and more defined. Okay, that's what I'm doing right there. So yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, comment, and share my videos. Okay, so this is how the C part is all about. There's not anything difficult. I hope you've learned something nice. I hope you've been informed. Kindly watch, comment, and share this video. Till we meet again in the next video. I love you. Yeah, so just making sure everything is flat enough. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate everything you're doing. Thank you.